Okay, so I will be doing my reading reflection number for week 4 for the Mr. Apari and Scruggs chapter 8, 10, and 11. So for the first chapter, I will actually just do the first key point from each chapter. So for chapter 8, raise student self-esteem. So self-esteem is, how a student views themselves, and as instructors, there's several things that we can do to help student self-esteem go up higher, from the way we interact with them, from the way we address them, the way we even do assigned instruction, the way the assignments that we offer a student can even help that self-esteem. And I thought it was really interesting how sometimes just giving a student with disability a job that we know that they will be able to achieve, makes them, self-assure themselves, makes them realize that they are capable. So I think I want to keep that in mind in the future, but I also want to make sure that there's a balance between tasks that challenge them and tasks that make them feel capable. I don't want to give them everything easily. I also want to make sure that they also raise their self-esteem in knowing that they tried. Maybe that they didn't succeed, but the fact that they're trying shows that they're trying in their growth, and I think that should also hopefully help them grow in their self-esteem. So I thought it was really interesting. For chapter 10, attention, provide assistance with basic skill problems. So students with disability like ADHD, they just have a hard time concentrating, they have a hard time following through, and there are things that instructors that we can do to help them, from the way we get their attention, from letting them know, hey, this is a time to be listening, or the way we even give instruction, the way we give assignments can just help them focus their attention. And I just thought it was interesting that, as instructors, we have to adapt to the students that we have, even from the way we give instruction, just to help them be successful, because it's not that they don't want to listen, it's just that we haven't found the right formula to get their attention. So I thought that was really interesting, and I want to make sure that I'm aware of that in future classes with students that struggle with paying attention. For the last key point is tools for developing independent learners, teach for homework completion. Now this one, I thought it was really interesting because you just don't think about teaching students how to do homework. You just assign the homework and, hope for the best and hope the students go home and they actually complete their homework. And I just thought it was really nice in the chapter that they gave us different tips and strategies to help students, from giving them an agenda of how to organize their homework throughout the week. And I just thought it was nice because you don't think of teaching students how to do homework. And some teachers don't even tell them, hey, this homework is going to help you for this reason. So I want to make sure that I apply these strategies for the future classes that I have, just for students to be aware that, hey, homework is important. I'm going to help you complete your homework. I just don't expect you to do this on your own. Like, my limitations don't only apply in the classroom, but I want to make sure that I am also able to help you from home. So I just thought that was a really important tool to use. And yeah, thank you.